Lesson 2. Activating Lenxel and installing plugins. Welcome back to the Lenxel tutorial series. In this lesson, we'll activate the Lenxel theme and install the essential plugins to get your LMS up and running. Activating Lenxel? Go to Appearance in the left-hand menu on your WordPress dashboard. Click on Themes to view the available themes. Find the Lenxel theme and activate it. Once activated, you'll see a Lenxel menu item on the left sidebar. Installing essential plugins. Lenxel requires a few plugins to work its magic. Here's a quick rundown. Lenxel Core, the core plugin for Lenxel's functionality. The Learning Management System plugin. Elementor, the page builder for creating beautiful course pages. WooCommerce for selling online courses. Other plugins, Metaform and Super Progressive Web App for mobile app integration. To install recommended plugin, go to Appearance in the WordPress dashboard. Click on Lenxel to manage the Lenxel's installation process. Click Recommended Plugins to install and activate all the required plugins. Let's explore Lenxel. With Lenxel activated and plugins installed, you can create and organize courses, design engaging lessons, quizzes, and assignments. Track student progress, monitor learner activity and performance. Offer paid courses, set up pricing and payment options with WooCommerce. Customize your LMS. Use Elementor to create stunning course pages. Visit the dashboard to manage your teachers' and students' courses. Need help? Lenxel offers excellent documentation and support to guide you through the setup process. You can also reach out to the Lenxel support team for assistance. That's it for now. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into configuring Lenxel and creating your first course. Stay tuned.